I love coming to Shift every year. First of all, Croatia is beautiful. What's really nice about Shift as a development conference is that it really brings people from all walks of development, and you don't really see that anymore.
The vibe here is incredible. There's such a buzz everywhere. I think 1,200 people turned up. I'm looking forward to the rest of today. There's a whole other day of conference tomorrow.
I'm often baffled by not how much I learn, but how I learn that I don't know yet. So I always go home from this sort of inspired, but also just very keen to just keep on reading up on stuff and learning what I evidently did not know.